Hey queens, today we are going to be installing these beautiful passion twists. I just love these twists and this color. These twists are part of the Slay the Crochet Slay Kit, and they are just so beautiful and bouncy, soft, lightweight. I just love them. Plus I have a whole bag of hair left over for touch-ups. What we'll cover today is the base pattern as well as what products I use, how to install in both the individual and the rows, and how to set it. First, let's talk about this base pattern. It's our typical base pattern. If you haven't yet watched our base tutorial, please take a look at it. It even has a no cornrow technique. If you do not know how to cornrow, check it out. But this is about 10 to 12 rows going back and individuals in the front. We use the Black and Honey color passion twist from the Slay Kit. You can find it at slaythecrochet.com. I'll put a link below. But yes, look at this color, you guys. Look at these curls, so beautiful. Step 1, installing the individuals. So all you're gonna do is push your crochet hook in the base of your braid, attach the passion twist through the loop onto the latch hook and close it, pull it through the base of your braid. Then you're gonna take your fingers and put them through that loop of the twist. And you're going to pull both your individual as well as the twist through the loop and pull to secure. So now we have to actually twist this in. There's other methods on how to do this. You're free to use whatever method you like, but this is how I do it. I simply just unravel the twist and twist it back in. Bonus points, if you have mousse, you should definitely add it here. It helps a lot to keep the braid in place. I'm going to add mousse at the end, but I probably could have also added it here. And you're just going to twist all the way down, doing the same thing here, locking it in and unraveling it. So now we're finished with the front individual sections. That was pretty much the hardest part, you guys. So yeah, now we just have to install it in our rows, and this is the easiest part of them all, because it's pretty much the same thing except you're not having to retwist them. So yeah, same thing, push your needle through the base of your braid, secure the twist onto your latch hook, close the latch hook, pull it through, and pull the twist to secure it on. And we're just going to continue to do that on all of the rows. I typically try to go between 1 to 2 finger lengths apart in the back, and then of course the spacing gets less and less towards the front because I want to not have a bulky head. So that's just a quick tip for you guys if you're wondering why I'm spacing it so far out in the back. You can always add hair or subtract hair later to your liking. So now we're just finishing up and adding in our last pieces. We're pretty much done here. And it is time to set with mousse. So this is very important specifically for your individuals because of those braids in there, and because this hair is so springy and silky, we want to make sure those braids do not pop out. So we're going to be very generous with our mousse. Pump into your hand and just apply it all throughout. So I'm really focusing on getting those fronts so that they settle in, and then of course I will go on and apply it to the rest. It just helps to keep it in place, and it helps that you don't have to worry about braids popping out in the future. So we are done. This was really easy, and I went on ahead and added a few accessories, as you can see, and we'll have a video tutorial on that as well. Check the links at the bottom of our description, and thank you guys so much for watching.